So hello and welcome to the fifth and final episode of our series of learning research. So let's get into it. So before moving towards the types of sample, first we'll try to understand what a sample is. So a sample is basically a subset of population which is selected to represent the population as a whole. It is basically of two types, which is probability sample and non-probability sample. So probability sample is of four types, which is simple random, systematic random, stratified and multi-stage cluster. Then comes the non-probability sampling, which is of four types: convenience, theoretical, quota and snowball. So first is probability sampling. So in this sampling, researchers select some random people from the population by setting a few criteria for it. And in this sampling, everybody has equal opportunity and equal probability of being selected for the sampling. So a second type of method, which is non-probability sampling. In this, the researcher has few criteria according to which the researcher selects the sample. So here the sampling or the population doesn't have the equal opportunity or the equal chance of getting selected for the sample. So here the researcher selects the sample according to their own choice, according to their own convenience for the sampling. So that's all for this episode and course. I hope you loved and enjoyed it. And if you did, please comment down. And thank you for your patience and time and hope you loved it. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.